Hey YouTube, today we're driving Suzuki Jimny 1.3 in the rain. So this car wears 50/50 tires, so that's gonna be the main issue here. The brakes of the car are not the best brakes you can have, but having said that, wearing 50/50 tires, which is not as well a good thing in the rain. The wipers, the windshield wipers, are not in the best condition as well, but it's like raining. I'm gonna do some driving in the city and some driving on a short highway. See how the car handles. Hear the tire noise, the tires. Traffic when we have rain. In slow speeds like that, there's no issue with the brakes so far. I'm not gonna do any hard braking either ways. Making sure that no pedestrian was passing by. The car brakes a bit slower, but we're driving at speeds of 20-30 kilometers per hour. So yeah. Probably his tires are even worse than ours. So the tires are Michelin 50/50 tires, so they're 1 year old. They're not that old tires, but they're not suitable for rain, I would say. So we're doing like 45 kilometers per hour, so we won't have any issue braking, and there's a lot of traffic. We're doing third gear. It's an uphill right now. It's kind of over the fourth gear. limit. The bad thing about rain, which is also good, everyone is more cautious of driving at slower speeds. And this is a slow car in general. That turn was not the optimal. Don't forget, this is a rear-wheel drive car. It's not a four-wheel drive. It drives on the rear wheels, but it has a very small